Here are 8 tips to make you a better photographer. Now, number 1 is use a flash. Make sure to use an off-camera flash because you can do a lot with it and it'll make your photos a lot better. And number 2 is get an extra battery. So whatever camera you have, make sure to get extra batteries so you're not running out and you don't have to go and charge during a shoot. Now, number 3 is get a flip-out screen. A flip-out screen is like this. Now, this will allow you to get really cool angles and allow you to see a lot more than having just a camera that does not have it. Number 4. Shoot in a higher shutter speed. Higher shutter speed will allow your shots to be more focused and sharp. Number 5 is don't be afraid to go to higher ISOs. You're going to be limiting yourself if you shoot lower ISOs. Means you can get really good shots even when you don't have a flash, and also will allow you to really test your editing skills. Now, number 6, you want to market the hell out of yourself. Now, number 7 is get good lenses. Now, number 8 is invest in good education and your website/online presence. This will make you get more clients and will do a lot more for your career than doing a lot of other networking stuff in general. But always keep networking regardless. So I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see another cool one, be sure to look at this one over here or check out the channel over here. If you want to hit me up on social media at all, I'm right over here. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next video. Peace.